Hi, hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a VBA macro that will take a date that's in date format and extract the day from that date. So if all you're interested in is the day and not the month or the year, then this is going to help you out. So to get started, I'm going to put some dates in. Okay, so we've got some raw data to work with, and we'll put this macro together. So let's call it convert date to day. Okay, we'll define the dimension within the range. Let's call this tempCell. That'll run through the cells in the range, and we'll have the selection value equal to the selection value, which essentially just removes any formatting. So you'll just be looking at the number itself in a pure unformatted type of data kind of way. So for each of them, each of the cells in selection, and as you may have noticed, a lot of these codes start off in a similar manner, but as you go towards the end of them, you just change different functions depending on exactly what you want to do. So from here, with the tempCell, okay, yep. So that is going to extract only the day, and that's it. And because we don't want any decimals, just the day taken as a whole positive integer, put NumberFormat equals 0. Just like we did in the VBA to remove decimals from the numbers in your spreadsheet. Okay, and the width function and the if function, and then we'll put the loop in, and that's it. It's ready to go. Okay, we'll highlight the data we're interested in, and we'll run this macro, and it'll go through the loop and change all these dates to days. Okay, there you go. So if you're in a situation where this is what you're after, you just need the days, not the whole date, well, now you know how to do it. So hope this has been useful, and thanks for watching.